Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best budget AI writer by comparing Copy.ai and Rytr in 2025. If you're looking for the best budget AI writer in 2025, then here's how you can do it, so watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Originally, Copy.ai was a content generation tool. Using a combination of established large language models, LLMs, and its foundational models, it offered a set of templates to help you quickly churn out content for any channel. The main differentiator was the free writing sidebar, where you could paste the best bits of generated text and use AI to tweak it until you had the perfect wording for your article or social media post. The way to do this has changed dramatically, but the feature's still there if you need it. Click Chat in the left side menu, and you'll find a chatbot interface. From there, you can create content using custom prompts, or click Browse Prompts to choose from dozens of templates. Among these, you'll find solutions to shortcut prospecting, deal management, operations, and expansion and retention, along with a few extra workflows. In addition to these pre-made recipes, you can find them by clicking Workflow Library. You can also create your own. Enter a prompt, and Copy.ai will generate the steps for you. If you're using Copy.ai for prospecting, you'll probably just run these workflows manually, but you can also set them up to run on a schedule or when certain actions take place. Rytr has a solid free plan and a cheap unlimited plan, but the app is more basic than more expensive offerings. There's a basic free plan that's good for 10,000 characters, around 2,500 words, per month. The unlimited plan starts at $9 per month and adds features like a custom tone. There's also a premium plan for $29 per month that supports multiple tones and allows you to configure custom use cases. Feature-wise, there are some trade-offs. Rytr feels pretty bare-bones and seems to rely on the cheaper or older LLMs. And because you don't have as much control over the brand voice or knowledge it relies on, there's definitely the potential to create less effective content with Rytr than with some of the other options. Free plan for 10,000 characters/month and lots of other features. Unlimited plan from $9/month. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.